Greetings from Saigon. Today is the National Day of Vietnam, 2nd of September. I'm at the Independence Palace. I'm going inside and take a brief tour. So it's very crowded now. So the electric car is just in front, 25,000 per time, 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. And look at that, thousands of people. Very hot and sunny day. Look at that. I think some of them, people here just come here to take the photos. They don't really like visit the Independence Palace. Very sunny day today, and yesterday night was raining. The bunker where the president and his staff sat here and planned the war. The telecommunication rooms, the radio room. The president's bedroom. There's no connection and Wi-Fi in the bunker level, so just take note. And now we're exiting this place, going to the upper level and tour. Let's visit the kitchen of the president. Yeah, super crowded. Wow. National Security Council chamber. This is the presidential office. Look at the amazing architecture. Wow, this is the most beautiful room so far. The Vice President office. Oh, there's really some nice architecture. The King's Room Mahjong. The cinema of the president is all in red color. Until now, it's still so well preserved. There's also a helicopter. This is a procession room. The president reached the very top floor of the Independence Palace. Now it's less hot now. Let's see what they have here. The souvenir shop here. And the other side, selling some drinks and tidbits. The helicopter with the first lieutenant pilot Nguyen Thanh Jong flew the F-5E helicopter and then threw down 2 bombs at the right target here. So one red circle here and the other one. The rooftop. Over 20 people are taking the photos right now. Oh, that's nice. I go to the first level, I check out, there's some interesting stuff. Subscribe and enjoy the video so far, and like so that more people can find out and watch the video together. Thanks very much. I suppose this is a dining room. One of the dining rooms. There's a nice jeep. The souvenir shop here sells not only the the clothes, t-shirt, plush toys, the hats, even books, caps. I think they lack sunglasses. I'm gonna check out. You can sign and write some notes here under impression. Let's see what they've written here. The bad weather as well. 1st of September, the Minghu. Oh, today only one person write the impression. So today is 2nd of September and my channeling. Right. You can watch some films here, the films, documentary, shooting gallery. We're going out explore the Thanks Day. So I toured this place for about 90 minutes, 1.5 hours. And guess what? It's still not over because there are some exhibits outside at the Thanks and Plains I'd like to show you guys. So I'm gonna check it out. The last time I came here, I visited the exhibits. They call it the exhibition area. But I realized that there are not much exhibits, so not visiting this time. But look at that, the beautiful cafe right there. I think they not only sell coffee and stuff, but some Vietnamese food as well, and the decoration is just so nice. It's 4:30 p.m. right now, and gonna have a slow walk. The left corner where there are 2 tanks, replicas, and 1 fighter jet, and still have more stuff. And along the way, we will see a lot of people taking selfies wearing red color shirt, ao dai, white color shirt, and nice flowers on the left side. We have here. I think today is the most people, wearing the ao dai. The other day will be the 30th of April every single day. The amazing fountain or waterfall.
Cái này đâu lấy được, phải quay lại đây mới lấy cái này chứ, lấy đi được lần.
Oh, there are more flower decoration right in front. Over here will be the 2 tank exhibit 390 and the 843, which crashed through the gates of Independence Palace in 1975, 2nd September in the morning, about 8:30. So this is a FIE fighter aircraft. It really looks very big. I think the favorite activity, the first one, the top of the list, will be taking selfies for the younger generation. But in fact, the older generation, I see some of them take also. So in general, the whole of Vietnam, 99%, 99.9% like to take selfies, from the young to the old. But anyways, a festive, happy season. Later 9 p.m. there will be fireworks at the Muin Way Walking Street. They will last about 15 minutes. And then it will be quite hard to get home later because the road will be congested and the demand for the Grab or the taxi is higher, much higher the number of passengers, number of drivers available. So yeah, that's one thing. Sitting now, let's see outside how the festive season like.
Rồi tranh thủ rồi cầm tay đi cầm giống như
So seeing lots of people taking selfies. And from here you can walk to most of the tourist attractions in Yushiwa. And by the way, there are some ice cream there and coffee, drinks. The roads are getting congested later at night time, will be even worse. This is very common during the holidays in Vietnam or any countries. But especially in Vietnam, there's only one Line 1 metro, so if you want to go to other places, then you have to take a cab, Grab or Grab car or Grab bike. There's no other choices. We're crossing the road to the Virgin Mary and then the Central Post Office to check out anything that's happening. Well, the post office has closed, but still lots of people taking the selfies. Now there are foreigners wearing the Vietnamese Ao Ya costumes, which is interesting.